Welcome to the Omlox UWB Aquarium, a collaborative project by several Omlox partners to illustrate the versatility of the Omlox ecosystem. With excerpts from our testbeds, you will discover the benefits of two simultaneous positioning modes for drones and AGVs. In GPS-like positioning, the position is computed on board and the UWB hardware is linked to the main controller to enable automated navigation. In multi-tag tracking, the position is sent to the server and processed for smart production management. The fully Omlox-compatible new generation of B-Spoon products opens wide horizons and makes hardware and software integration easier than ever. Let's have a look at the applications in the fields of navigation and production automation. Indoor flight remains very complex, depending on the typology of the environment. To achieve desired performance in an industrial context, drone positioning needs more than unitary use of sensor technologies. That's why Squadron System has focused on merging sensor data. In addition to smart cameras and sonar, the autonomous indoor drone Clover integrates the Omlox-compatible smart antenna GPS-like tracker. The autonomous nano drone Crazyfly for demonstrations in narrow spaces uses the same hardware in PCB version. The traffic management use case for AGVs presented by NAISE also uses the GPS-like mode for the robot's navigation. Thanks to a fusion of IMU and odometry data with UWB, the solution NAISE Traffic Control checks and regulates all movement in real time in the whole factory. The omlox-based predictive path planning system is manufacturer independent and meets the multiple requirements of the intralogistics sector. It increases transparency and makes smart factory intuitive and collaborative. The smart manufacturing use case presented with the solution GFT Omlox adapter uses the multi-tag tracking mode. To further enhance the benefit of a location standard like Omlox, we brought the positioning data into context with additional information. In this case, we added order information from an ERP system as well as a floor plan with geofencing events to the location data. By clicking on an AGV on the list, you can get detailed information about the position of the unit or the current processing times. This data can then be analyzed to find out which routes or working steps took especially long and might give room for improvement in our customer's factory. The Omlox UWB Aquarium highlights interoperability in real-time location as a key element for successful digital transformation.